In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find trending topics and then instantly rank on Google and YouTube promoting those topics. So even if you have never played around with video SEO, Google SEO, any sort of SEO, even if you've never created a video before, or you're still not 100% sure on how you can get your videos or your business in front of people, this is how you can do that. And I'm going to get into the exact details shortly. So one of the best ways you can find trending topics and then instantly rank on Google and YouTube is by going to platforms that have constant trending information, constant courses, because it then allows you to see what people are actually searching for and what people are buying. So the first stage is find that trending topics, and we're going to head over to a education platform called Udemy. So here we are on Udemy, and Udemy is an education platform which is fantastic for course creators who are selling online courses. So one of the first things that you may notice is it's got recommended products and or trending on Udemy. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to get a little bit more specific. So right here we've got our menu tabs which show all the categories. I call these niches. So choose what niche you want to go into, and we're going to get a little bit more focused. So right now you can see we've got software testing. So I'm going to go ahead and click on software testing, but you would click the most relevant to you. So here you can see the most popular courses or the most trending courses. Now it's up to you. Either way, if you pick most popular or trending, it's going to be just fine for you. I'm going to go with most popular, and here this course has 51,210 reviews, which is likely meaning it's got over 200,000 students enrolled. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the course, and you can actually see it's got 152,000 students, which is actually fantastic because it just shows how high quality this course is and how straight to the point. So now we're going to go to what you learn here. Okay, so if we click show more, you can see by the end of this course you will be mastered on Selenium WebDriver with strong core JavaScript. So here, this keyword right here could be a topic. So I'm just going to do Notepad, and I'm just going to copy this into my Notepad like so. So I would then take each of these pieces of information and I would take the overall keyword. So you will gain the ability to design page object, data-driven and hybrid automation frameworks. Okay, so again, these are keywords and these are titles which our videos are likely going to be. After I've already looked at all of this, what I will then do is I'll actually click on preview this course, and I will scroll down and see what these topics are. Now, if you want to take this one step further, you can actually purchase the course and you'll get tons more information about what this person is doing and about what people are really enjoying. Let's start our keyword research, and I'm going to jump into a software called Videly. If you don't know what Videly is the cloud-based version of a software called Video Marketing Blaster, and the way this works is you would enter your main keyword and Videly will find unlimited amounts of untapped, low competition and buyer intent long tail keywords for you to start building authority on your YouTube channel and start easily ranking basically instantly. I've got plenty of case studies, and if you want to have a look at my local business overnight ranking course, which you can enroll in for free, it's 14 videos and you're going to learn all the theories behind it and even a live case study that you can watch and follow along with, and it's completely free. Go ahead and click the link in the description. But that's basically what Video Marketing Blaster or Videly does. It just gives you a major advantage over everyone else. Okay, let's now go over to keywords, and right here you can see we've got the option to enter a new keyword, and if we want to filter it, whether it's worldwide, so we'll see what sort of search traffic specific geos are generating or not. I'm going to leave it worldwide because this is the sort of thing that anyone can buy. You can also filter it so only show results from YouTube, competitors and Google, Bing, Yahoo, Pinterest, eBay, Amazon. So no matter what sort of business you are, you can filter it for your needs. But I'm just going to go ahead and enter I'm going to keep on YouTube, competitors of Google, because that's really all I'm interested in ranking for. So I'm going to paste in my main keyword, which is Selenium WebDriver, and click research. Okay, so Vidley's just finished finding all of those low competition, untapped keywords that not many other people, you know, may know about. And it's basically giving us all the statistical information that we need. So if we scroll down, we can see that if we're going to try and rank for Selenium WebDriver interview questions and answers, then we have 46,000 other people on YouTube/Google competing for that search phrase. And if we do get rankings for it, we can be expecting around about 900 views per month, which is actually really very good. And considering there's like millions upon hundreds of millions upon billions of videos on YouTube, 46,000 videos or competitors is nothing, okay? Here's one that looks really interesting, which is Selenium WebDriver tutorial, and that's got a lot of views. How to launch Chrome browser in Selenium WebDriver, and again, looks really, really interesting. I'm going to take the one that's probably most relevant to your overall objective, which is Selenium WebDriver tutorial, and I'm going to take that keyword over to niche analysis, because this is going to quickly tell us whether or not it's actually worth ranking for, or if it's going to be difficult. So I'm going to paste this in like so, and I'm going to do research. Okay, so it's telling me that this is actually going to be really difficult to rank for if we're just going for this Selenium WebDriver tutorial. So it will be hard to rank, hard, best title would be this. Okay, and it's basically giving us an analysis of all the other videos which are ranking on YouTube and Google. I don't really want to be competing or struggling with my rankings, especially if I've got a brand new channel. So I'm going to go back to keywords. What I'm going to do is, I know that Selenium WebDriver tutorial is a keyword that I kind of want to rank for. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter that new one into research. Okay, so now what we've done is that we found our overall keyword, which was Selenium WebDriver, and then we found another keyword thanks to Videly called Selenium WebDriver tutorial, but that was too complex, too difficult according to Videly. So what we've now done is taken that new keyword and we've pasted it back into the system, and we've now come up with all of these new keywords. And let's enter this new keyword in, do research. Okay, and that's still too hard. So let's just quickly go back here, have another look, take the next one in the list, go back here, press paste. What this software is saying is it will be very hard to rank on the top 5 spots on YouTube. Ranking on the first page of YouTube will be easy. Okay, so that's basically saying if we want to be in the first 5 slots of YouTube, it's still going to be difficult, but we can still end up on the first page of YouTube, which all in all is good enough for me. Let's just scroll down here, and where you can see rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, 4, 5, ideally anything after here, you know, is where we can show up. So let's just see what sort of views these videos are getting. So this video is getting 172,000 views. Okay, now that video's got 97,000 subscribers, so you never really know. Here's 458 views, and this one's only got 5,000 subscribers, so that's actually pretty decent. Video 8 has got 93,000 views, but they've got 2 million subscribers. And here they've got 256,000 views, and they've got 225 subscribers. Okay, here's a good one, which is rank 10, which is 11,000 views, and they've got 9,600 subscribers. Now, I still think this is a little too competitive. So what I'm going to do, and this is just, if you want to rank first, this is just stuff that you want to be doing, is I'm going to come back to the keywords, and I'm going to scroll a little bit down, something where I can see less competition, and I'm going to type in Selenium WebDriver C# tutorial for beginners PDF. Okay, now I never would have thought about PDFs, but if people are searching for that, then you can create a video, convert it into a PDF, and they will enjoy it. Ranking with the new keyword. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and search. Okay, so now it's still saying that it's going to be hard, but what I want to do, I just want to have a quick look to see what sort of competition we're facing. This video here, they only have 3,000 subscribers, yet they've got 50,000 views, and this is actually the same channel right here. Okay, so that's not a hard channel to beat with only a few thousand subscribers. And if we scroll down, this one here, which is rank number 9, they only have 1,000 subscribers and they've got 37,000 views. Okay, and they have virtually zero optimization going on their video. Also, if we have a look at everything, we can tell that the #1 ranking video doesn't even have a great SEO score. So actually, this might not be too difficult. And I'm saying this because these are some big channels and they've got really low SEO scores. Now, another thing, if we look at, is that even if we get on the first page of YouTube or Google for this search term, we can get 104 views per day, and it's saying this right here. And also, there's not been any new videos uploaded in the past 30 days, and YouTube is always looking for good content and fresh content. So we have a real good chance of ranking for this keyword purely because no videos have been ranking, and the majority of these SEO scores are actually really bad. So if we can get in the top 5 of Google or YouTube when it comes to rankings, we have a really good chance of getting the 104 views per day, which ultimately, you know, is over, you know, 1,000 views per month. So this one video alone could be very, very profitable if done correctly. So now the next thing to do is I want this software to actually generate the perfectly SEO optimized text for us. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to video details, and now in video details, I'm going to go ahead and do generate details. And the main keyword is going to be Selenium WebDriver C# tutorial for beginners PDF. Okay. And what it's doing is actually recommending titles for us. So I'm going to select the second one and do next step. Okay, so now it's got other suggestions. I'm going to leave them as is. And for the secondary keyword, because we want to kind of like sprinkle in more information at this keyword, automation testing for beginners, this one, okay, this one. Okay, so I'm going to do next step, and again, you would just populate your URLs with all of this information, and then you would go ahead and do generate details. And now, okay, so that's now been generated, and I'm going to click here, and what you can see is it's got the title. Okay, so it's got Selenium WebDriver C# tutorial for beginners PDF, which is our main keyword, and then we've got our secondary keywords, which is right here, and then 2020 video, which basically says, hey, it's current. Now the software automatically added this bit in because it's relevant of the year and people want to know that they're watching fresh content. Then if we scroll down, you can see if you want to find more information about our keyword topic, you must visit our URL, and then it's just got sprinkling of all this text, and literally all we would do is copy this into the video description. Now if we scroll down, you can see it's also got tags and then suggested titles, sentences and tags. So all we need to do is click on one of these and it will automatically append it to this information here. Now the final step is obviously to grab your video that you've created and then upload it into YouTube. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here I am on the back end of YouTube on one of my demo YouTube channels. It virtually has 0 authority, 0 subscribers, and I only use this to illustrate my video SEO tutorials like what you're watching now. Okay, so this is just a random video I made ages ago. It's got no relevance to the topic at all. Ideally, if you make your videos relevant to the topic, you're going to get better rankings. Also, I just realized, but it's too late now, that your file name should also be your keyword. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into the software here. Okay, I'm going to copy to clipboard, go to my YouTube channel, paste it in like so. Go back, copy the description, paste it in like so. Okay. I'm just going to, you should have a better thumbnail, but I'm just going to leave it as is for now. And I'm going to go to the tag section, copy to clipboard, go back to my YouTube channel, scroll down, more options and tags. Now, this is a good way of optimizing your YouTube videos, but in my course, I go into much more detail about how you can optimize them to the best possible way and ensure your rankings. Okay, so here I am, and I'm just going to go ahead and do next. I'm going to do next and make publish. Okay, so the video's been uploaded, and usually you should wait, at least 10 minutes, even 24 hours to see, how your rankings are doing, because sometimes it can take time to index, but I'm excitable, so I'm going to have a look to see if it's actually ranked. Again, there is a better formatting there's a better way to format everything, which I go through in my 14-part video course, the local business overnight ranking course, which you can enroll in for free. But let's go ahead, open up incognito mode and see if we've got rankings. The reason we open things up in incognito mode is because Google will cater your searches. So I'm going to enter the keyword. Okay, agree. And boom, there we are. We are number 2 in Google, and we only did this a minute ago. You can see right there we go. And I'm just going to click on the video so you can see, boom, and I'm just going to go here and have a look, and there we go. We have a chicken hot pot video, which is ranking number 1 on YouTube, and going back to Google, ranking number 2 on the front page of Google. How insane is that? And if we go to the video tab, we're ranking number 2 on Google there as well. Okay, now here's the thing. If you just do one-off videos, you're not going to get results. In fact, it's going to be highly unlikely if you just do one video and expect everything to happen. It's not gonna happen. You need to keep on uploading videos at least for 30 days, and then what would happen is that your YouTube channel will build authority around these sorts of keywords, and before you know it, you're gonna start ranking for like Selenium WebDriver. But like you can see, when you perfectly optimize everything and you follow the process and you actually apply it, take action, and you repeat it, you're going to get much better rankings faster. They're going to become firmer, and you're going to just really profit from these sort of things. It's a method that I've been doing on tons of niche channels, tons of websites, on tons of everything when it comes to video SEO. Now, in the next video, I'm going to be talking about buyer intent keywords and how you can, again, instantly rank on Google and YouTube like you've watched in today's video, but I'm going to be speaking more specifically about buyer intent keywords, which is the more profitable side of things. Ask me any questions you want in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.